Just look at this. Braaipie Reloaded. It's Heritage Day, guys. So let's make a Braai Pie 2.0. In fact, we're going to be making a Boerewors tatin. That's French for tart, upside down tart, I think. Let's go. You will need about 4 to 5 sliced red onions, some Boerewors, a cast iron skillet, Parmesan cheese, some baking paper, thyme, butter, and a little bit of Mrs. Balls, some ready rolled puff pastry, salt and pepper, and a splash of red wine. Optional. Pop your cast iron skillet onto the braai. Into the cast iron pot we go with our butter, onions, little bit of salt and pepper, and some thyme. Our caramelized onions are ready. A little bit of Mrs. Balls. Let's take them out the pot and place to one side. We're going to cut out a circle out of our baking paper and place it in the bottom of our cast iron pot, waiting for the motorbike. So many motorbikes these days, guys, because everybody's ordering, hey? Nobody goes to the shops anymore. Next, we're going to grate some Parmesan cheese and a few more sprigs of thyme. Now in with our stunning Boerewors. Lay it down in a spider. I'm going to leave a few little gaps in between. A little bit of extra Parmesan to bring all the flavors together. And now in with our gorgeous caramelized onions. I'm actually going to put some in between my Boerewors spider. Tuck it in. Pour the rest on top. Spread it out nicely. On with our puff pastry. Just tuck it around, guys, like a nice little blanket for your Boerewors. And then I'm pinching the sides. Cut some little holes so that the steam can escape. Brush on an egg wash. Close up your pie and pop it in your braai with the lid on for about 35 minutes. Bye-bye, my darling. And now we wait. Don't do the middle burner, guys. It's going to be too much heat coming and hitting the bottom of your pie. We're creating like an oven, okay? It's hot. Our Braai Pie Reloaded is ready. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here's the tricky part. We're going to do a flip. There's it. The moment of truth, guys. Oh, they're so stunning, if I do say so myself. And now the last thing we have to do is give it a taste. Kill me now. 2 chef's kisses. This is a flavor sensation. The crisp, flaky pastry with the delicious caramelized onions and the Boerewors and the thyme with that slightly sweet little tang of the chutney. Now, guys, DIY because anybody can. Happy Heritage Day, guys. Bye.